Hello there, Bill Wheeler here with Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty. Today I wanted to do a quick tutorial video on how to get the Zoom application into your computer so we can have our two-way teleconference. It's quite simple, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you computer screen and you can kind of show you how to go about doing it. First of all, the Zoom application is not going to cost you anything to download it into your computer. So you have a couple of options. You can download it directly into your desktop or laptop, which is frankly preferred because you can just visibly have more screen space. But you can also download it on your tablet and on your cell phone. If you want to download it on your cell phone or your tablet, you can go directly to the app stores, both for Apple and Android, and just go to Zoom, Z-O-O-M, on the search deal, and you can download the software directly into your phones. Once it's downloaded, it will automatically turn on or initiate when somebody sends you a Zoom meeting link. So it just kind of happens automatically at that point in time. Same thing kind of works with the app, the desktop, and that sort of deal. Um, you'll basically go. I'm going to go share my screen here. Um, Basically, what you're going to do is go to the Zoom page, and it's basically zoom.us/download, and is the link here. But basically, and we'll send you a link as well, just directly right here. But you're going to go to the Zoom clients for meetings. And you're going to click download, and it is going to download it right into your machine. You'll see where it says Zoom installer down here, and it's already downloaded in my machine, so it's really kind of double duty it. But you'll basically double click that, and it will download it into the computer. And then once we've again send you a link for the meeting, it will kind of automatically launch. So what'll happen next? And I ask that you try to do this prior to our meeting, just in case. Sometimes it can be a little slow on the download if you're doing it like at 10 o'clock in the morning or something like that, where it's like peak service with the Zoom app. But normally it's just kind of instantaneous. The next thing that will happen is we will send you an email that will have the meeting link in it, and it'll look something like this. It's just going to probably come from a Gmail account. Link to our meeting at 3 o'clock to discuss your home buying needs, something like that. And you'll see where it'll say that your Zoom meeting is set up for 12 o'clock today. And you'll see this blue hyperlink here for Zoom meeting. All you're going to do is basically click on that link, and it's going to launch the meeting between you and I at that point in time. So what you want to do, excuse me, is try to maybe log on a minute or two before the designated time. You'll see some prompts where you can maybe check the speakers on your computer or phone, and adjust your camera if you need to or whatever. Again, it's a two-way teleconference, just like you see in this little picture of me on the side of the screen. When I'm sharing information with you or vice versa, both of our photos will be there. And then when we're not in this sharing mode, basically we'll see each other like this. It'll just be kind of a split screen, and it'll allow us to have our virtual meeting, where we'll be able to kind of go through, find out a little bit more about your home buying criteria or selling criteria, and we can kind of figure out how we might assist you at that point in time. But anyways, it's fairly simple. If you have any issues with downloading the Zoom app, please let me know. You can call me directly. My private line is area code 404-697-9818. And I look forward to meeting with you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.